Hi, I'm Daryl Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. I want to introduce Chris Gagliano, previously from Penn College. He's a new addition to Catalysis Manufacturing Rep. It brings a fantastic reputation. A lot of you guys already know him, and we're really proud and excited to have him. So Chris, I want to ask you, what brought you to Catalysis?
Well, it's a great question. Having the opportunity to work with Daryl when I was at Penn College about 9 years ago, experimenting with some of the tools that he had built, grew fond of how well they performed, and once I decided to go on my own, that partnering up with Catalysis to hopefully revolutionize the thermoforming industry would be a great partnership.
So Chris, we talk a lot about where our tooling fits. We're just a tool in a toolbox. Where doesn't it fit?
Well, some of the challenges are particularly with clear products. Something that needs to be optically clear, it's really not the best choice. There are other tooling materials that fit that type of product line better. Also, for any geometry or features that are very tall and thin, where there's not enough mass of the tooling, they would have a tendency to break over time. But for most everything else, it's a really good fit. For time-sensitive projects, it's a really good fit. I know many of the clients that I work with, they're in a crunch to turn around tooling as quickly as possible, and also from a budget standpoint, really fits their needs.
So yeah, Chris, really excited to have you at the company and exciting opportunities. We'll be at the PAC Expo East February 17th to the 19th, Chris and I. So we'd love to come see you, maybe even have a beer, and hope to see you there.